So water is getting into the inside of the car somewhere. I cleaned out the front sunroof drains and it didn't help. So we're going to see if it's coming in through the back sunroof drains or a rear window seal, front window seal. We're going to kind of have a look at it and see if we can figure it out. So I'm here on the inside and I've got, there we go. Tiffany's there on the outside manning the garden hose, ready to help. She's being mauled by cats too. So we're going to start spraying and see what we can find. So after splashing water around on the car, we discovered that the leak was in fact not the sunroof as I had expected, but this tear in the door seal. So we're going to replace this door seal and see if that gets rid of our soggy floors. So our little check strap here is held on by this little pin. So what you'll need to do is get some pliers of some kind, apply some upward pressure to that so that it pops up. Then you can grab it and wiggle it on about. It's hard to do with one hand. So the pin has been removed. So set your pin aside. And now inside of here, there's a little spacer that sits on top of this. So set that with your pin and remember to put it back in when you go to put this all back together. But we're going to keep on removing, and you can get a better visual here, these little white plastic guys. The seal goes around all those and gets glued here. So we're going to go ahead and remove the rest of this, and then we'll get into how to put the new one back on. The key here is we don't want to bend this little metal piece all up because that does kind of hold the shape of the door and gets the seal in a little bit better. So get some needle nose pliers in behind there. Just kind of squeeze and pry out. It doesn't matter if you wreck these. So you'll see here in a moment. Right here is our front. And then it comes up along, and right there is our top corner. So watch when you install it that you don't have any weird lips like this. That needs to be pushed in so that it's all the way flush. And then notice how this kind of has a wave away. If you look over at this side, it's not all the way in. So you have to push that in until it's all flush. We've got our little metal piece. We're going to take some of these little trim panel clips. Some people refer to them as Christmas tree clips or other names. And they are the perfect size and fit to go in this metal strip. So we're going to put one in the top and one in the bottom just to hold everything in place nice. Get some of this DAP weldwood contact cement. And we're going to apply that around the area around the check strap and other places that there's nothing really holding this on. So open that up, a little acid brush. This is glued in place, so it takes a little pressure for it to seal. So the best way I've found to get that to seal up right where you want it is get it where it's held approximately right. Put your check strap back together and close the door. Don't forget your little spacer for your check strap. Goes right there. And just line it up and pop your pin back in where it goes. a little extra push down so it seals up good. Now, because this is approximately in the right place, if we close the door, seal it right up. There. Now that cement can seal up, and you'll have yourself a waterproof door again.